What's up, everybody? Moto Jimbo here. Um, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know I picked up this 1993 Honda F2 earlier today. Um, Man, where to start? For one thing, she's really disgustingly nasty. Looks like it was stored in a barn. Second, I'm about to straighten out some of this wiring and see what's going on there. I see in certain places things are unhooked, spliced, etc. I don't know. Once I get into a little more, see if it's even worth trying to save this harness or if I should just find one that's not been hacked into so bad. But yeah, shifts through the gears. Guy told me it turned over, but I didn't hear it turn over. I didn't pay much for this bike, so I wasn't really too concerned about it. So you see it has 46,000 miles on it. So we'll see what it sounds like when and if this motor starts up. Um, but dude seemed pretty honest, so I think it'll start up fine once I get to that point. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna clean this thing up. So he told me the stator was bad and he had taken it out, which he has. I checked. So I'm gonna get a new stator. They're not too expensive, about 30 bucks. Stick that in there and go from there. But tonight we're gonna clean this thing up a little bit. I'm gonna get these disgusting grips off here that they're sticky where they're so old. But yeah, I think it's gonna be fun. I'm a big fan of the 90s sport bikes, so you know, if nothing else, if the motor doesn't do its thing, I'm gonna drop it out and start learning more about actually working on the internals of engines a little more. I know some things about valves, piston rings, things like that, but the lower end I've never really messed around a whole lot. So, but it'll be fun to learn anyways. Um, no fairings came with it, so I'll be finding some of those, which I'll probably buy aftermarket. There's a website that sells sets that match this tank, which, other than being dirty, doesn't look terrible. I mean, there's a few little dings. You can't really see in there, and I don't think I have my flashlight. Let's see. Nope, don't see it. But I did peek in there, and it didn't look too bad. And I'll probably still try to put some vinegar in there and stuff and clean it out a little bit. But all right, let's start cleaning this thing up a little bit.